Alright, we're going to test and see if the DeWalt drill driver, I don't have the number for this exact one, was it 1/4 inch with the 1/2 inch adapter and an impact socket. And I'll put links to where I got all these. I got all this off Amazon. Below the impact socket, we'll get these lug nuts off. It's a Prius, so let's see what happens. We're gonna go reverse. Oh, there we go. Not a problem, came on off. Loosened them all up very easily, very quick. So, anybody's wondering if the DeWalt drill driver with impact ready accessories on there will take your lug nuts off? My answer is yes. Have a good one. Like, share, and subscribe. You never know what you might see on this channel.